This is the oxygen saturation partial pressure interactive calculator, which solves oxygen transport relationships in blood. The calculator has a drop-down for calculation mode with 6 options. Calculate SaO₂ from PaO₂, calculate PaO₂ from SaO₂, calculate P50 from known points, calculate oxygen content, calculate shunt fraction, and calculate alveolar arterial gradient. For this demo, I'm using calculate SaO₂ from PaO₂. Input fields include arterial PO2, oxygen saturation, P50 value, Hill coefficient, PaO₂.1 and 2, SaO₂.1 and 2, hemoglobin, arterial PO2 for content calculation, arterial O2 content, mixed venous O2 content, capillary O2 content, inspired O2 fraction, arterial CO2, barometric pressure, and measured arterial PO2. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 for all numeric inputs, keeping the defaults of 27 for P50 value, 2.7 for Hill coefficient, 15 for hemoglobin, 0.21 for inspired O2 fraction, 40 for arterial CO2, and 760 for barometric pressure. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows 6.41% oxygen saturation. The secondary result confirms P50 equals 27.0 mAh. The clinical interpretation states severe hypoxemia, immediate intervention required, critical condition. These results indicate dangerously low oxygen levels requiring urgent medical attention. This calculator helps engineers design and validate oxygen delivery systems. Find the link in the description below.